Did you know regular cleaning products have toxins? They can harm your baby and baby's health. As a mom, I am sure to do best for my family.
That's why I have switched to this new home cleaning range from the themomsco. With plant-based cleansers and bio-cleansing power, the themomsco home cleansing range is tough on dirt, germs and grease, and it doesn't compromise on efficiency. Baby's skin is so delicate that ordinary detergents cause rashes and irritation. For Vedant, I use the dermatologically tested natural laundry detergent that gently cleans and conditions his clothes with naturally enzyme-based bio-cleanser and conditioning properties. It doesn't irritate my baby's delicate skin at all and protects his clothes too. With this natural surface cleanser, I can clean and disinfect my house easily. Enriched with bio-cleansing power, it is clinically tested to kill 99.9% germs and bacteria in 30 seconds, leaving my house refreshed with a natural orange fragrance. Can't imagine cleaning his water bottle, feeding accessories with a cleanser that contains harmful chemicals, as he puts everything in his mouth.
This Earth Day, let's rethink home cleaning and use products that are tough on germs, dirt, grease yet gentle for you, your home and the planet.
Use my coupon code HOMECARE20 for a 20% off.